In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Gmail. This is a great way to keep communication streamlined and organized, whether you're working on a project with colleagues or simply want to chat with family and friends in one convenient space. The process is quite straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. To get started, we first need to access Gmail and navigate to the chat feature. Look for the chat icon, which is usually located on the left side of your Gmail interface. This is your portal to Google's integrated messaging service. Click on it to open the chat window, where you'll see options to start new conversations or revisit existing ones. Next, you want to start a new chat. For this, find and click on New Chat. This will give you options on how you want to conduct your communication. Since we're focused on setting up a group environment, look for the option that says Create a Space. Spaces in Gmail allow you to have group-specific conversations in a structured format, making it ideal for project discussions or keeping in touch with multiple contacts at once. Once you click Create a Space, a dialog box will appear asking you to enter the name of the space. Think of a fitting name that represents the purpose or the members of the chat. For example, if this is for a project team, naming it after the project or the team's name makes it easily identifiable. Type the name into the provided field. Remember, a clear and descriptive name can help everyone quickly find and recognize the space later. After you've named your space, go ahead and click on Create. This action will establish the space within your Gmail chats, but there's one more crucial step to make it a functioning group: adding members. You'll want to include the individuals you wish to communicate with within this space. To add members, you'll see an option to add members. Clicking this will open a new prompt where you can invite people to join by entering their email addresses. Type in the emails of your intended group chat participants. It's important to ensure that you use the correct email addresses so everyone receives the invitation and can join the space seamlessly. After inputting all the emails, complete the process by clicking on Add. This sends out invitations to your selected members, allowing them to join and start contributing to the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully created a group chat space in Gmail where you and your invited members can now share messages, files, and more in an organized manner. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.